Okay, so I actually recorded my brows, but it didn't really work out the way I had planned. You couldn't really see it. So I'll just do like a brow tutorial to show you guys how I did them. But I have not concealed my brows yet, so I'm going to do that now. And I'm using MAC's Studio Finish Concealer in NC42. And I'm just going to go in with that with a concealer brush. I'm just going to line under my brows. This is actually a little, sometimes you're gonna have to go back in with your brows and tweak them. And there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. You don't always get everything on the first try. And then I'm gonna just blend that down. And that's like to the extent of what I do with my brows. I don't really go over like the top or anything like that. Yeah, that's pretty much what I do. So now, I'm sorry, I have like my mirror like right here, like just to make sure everything is looking right. All these shadows from ColourPop. I got some shadows. I had got a liner, and then I got the lip primer. So I'm gonna try to use some of those. Mine's is so dirty, guys. I cleaned the outside, but the inside is just like, no. Literally when I tell you, like, I was about to cry when I got this palette. Because I didn't know about it at first. Like, I didn't see it. Because, like, I had, like, took a hiatus from watching YouTube videos, like, while I was at school. So I wasn't really, like, on the ball. And then I got back and I was like, oh, and it's already sold out. It sold out in, like, 35 minutes. But then they end up coming back with a new one. And this is just, like, a really laid back video, y'all. Like, I got on my t-shirt that's right next to that, which they look pretty new. The one that I'm using now has more of like a pink undertone. Then I'm going to the color that's right under that first color that we used, and I'm just gonna deepen that. And I'm gonna take something that's like a mauve-y pink color, and I'm just gonna deepen like the crease up of this. I'm gonna end up blending all of this out. I'm using the color that's to the left of that. And then blend that out because I do want a very blended look. Ooh, all of these mauve tones. I'm not really like a mauve girl, but these, I am feeling it. And I'm gonna go back in with those mauve. You know what? Just go with it. Don't you hate like when you make like a mistake and then it's just like there? It's fine. It's whatever. A lot of times I'll like blend down in circular motions just to get a very well blended look. Round, you don't want that. So that's why I'm blending down. But I'm blending down still in circular motions. And I'm going to go back in with that deep mauve color, and I'm just going to really highlight that crease. They're so cute. I love ColourPop's packaging. Like, love it. It's so freaking cute. It's like just white, and it's like so different. Like, these are like screw off tops. I love those. So I'm just gonna go in with Bubbly first on the lid. Oh my god. I love pink. Pink is my favorite color, if you guys didn't know. So, I'm living right now for this look. Living my life. I'm just gonna put some of that like on the end, like the near the outer corner, just so. And then I'm gonna go from like the bottom lash line up, too far, whatever. And then again from the bottom lash line up. And then from here we're gonna take it down and then fill it in. Like a really thick eyeliner. In the meantime, in between time, I'm going to get my lashes ready. These lashes can be purchased at CocoConfections.tuto.com. I will put the link below. It'll take you directly to this specific pair. These are mink lashes in cocoa, and I literally wear these every day. And I feel like people still love like store-bought lashes and like faux mink lashes. I like these because I literally only have to buy lashes like once a month, literally. I'm just gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Primer, and I'm just gonna put that all over. I don't go into like my bottom lash line until after I have my foundation on. I just feel like it comes out better when I do it like that. And then I have my NYX First Base Primer Base. And I just spray that all over my face. And that's pretty much all I do. Brush with a little fluid, fix fluid, and I use 2 pumps of that. 2 pumps of foundation. And I just use a dense brush. Sometimes what I will do is when I do use 45, if I feel 45 is a little too light, I will go in with some 46, like around the perimeter. Coverage. Just a slight, just a little bit more in that area. I've been using a serum like under my eyes because I feel like it's so dark under my eye. So I've been using a serum like every day. I'm trying to get rid of that. A finish, and we're going to use NC42. I never really go for a super light highlight anyway. And this is very I'm going to try to keep it as triangular as possible. My makeup videos is coming up, y'all, because like, was y'all really watching my old videos? If so, I want to fight every last one of y'all because y'all didn't tell me how stupid I looked. Because it looked crazy. That eyebrow tutorial, go back and watch that eyebrow tutorial and then come back and look at my eyebrows. No. It's a joke. It's literally a joke. Seriously. And I'm mad at, I don't have no friends. My friends are officially canceled because y'all should have told me that's how I was looking. Y'all should have told me. Y'all was faking. Y'all are fake. Y'all was lying to me. Y'all just overall not real friends because I was looking crazy. And y'all just let me walk around look like that. I blame my mother. She told me that stuff looked good and it didn't. And it didn't. And yes, I'm getting very defensive about it because, like, why would you guys not tell me that I looked crazy? Put it on your face, but you can't. So, without blinking, what do I usually use? This is what I was originally using for powder under my eyes. So, we can just go back to the OGs. We can go back to the OG because this is really nice for getting under, especially since I already have my lashes on. But I'm going to tap away that excess powder. I'm going to dip the powder. I'm going to dip my brush into the powder. Oh, my God. Now y'all really know. I really don't know how to talk. I'm smart, though, so it don't really matter. And I'm going to dab away the excess powder. And then I'm going to go in under my eyes to set. You see that? It's not blotchy. It looks not blotchy, y'all. I'm just gonna go over my lip area because I get like creasage in that area as well. I'm just gonna go in. And now we're gonna get into this contour. I got a new contour brush. Okay guys, this is the finished look, and if you cannot tell, I am absolutely loving it. It came out exactly how I wanted it to. This hair is everything with it. If you want to know how I got my hair like this, check out my video on heatless waves. That is, I don't know if that's going to be before or after. It might be before, it might be after this video. You might have already seen it when you see this video, but it will be up and you guys will know how to do it. Make sure you guys also stay tuned for my makeup haul where I actually swatch all of these shadows that I used. The ColourPop shadows after I swatched those, and I have some like lipsticks, and I have so much fun stuff for you guys. So make sure you guys check that out. Make sure you thumbs up this video if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel so you guys can see all of the videos that I make. And make sure to comment down below any video suggestions or DM me on Instagram at ChanelDanae, and I will be able to get back to your requests. So if you want to see more looks like this, or if you want to see more fun videos with just me in them, I have like an endless array of videos that I can do for you guys. So if you guys want to see all of those, make sure you stay tuned, and I will make sure I get those for you. So, until next time.